SolidWorks 2011 includes major enhancements to Weldments with the introduction of the new Weld Bead tool. Not only does this tool handle simple cases such as perpendicular intersecting tubes, it also allows for welding plates on tubes. Welds are created with their full weld note annotations. Other challenging cases are handled with ease. One example is weld gaps. With a simple selection of elements around a joint, welds are created at any possible intersection. All welds created with the Weld Bead tool are done cosmetically, allowing for extremely lightweight designs. This means there's no extra overhead. Intermittent welds are fully supported, with full control over gap, pitch, and weld length. You can also specify if the weld should have a staggered characteristic. Again, these welds support their unique annotation requirements. In situations where you want to specify the exact length and position of the weld, you now have direct control with easy-to-manipulate instant 3D tools. Individual values can also be specified. In the past, creating weldments was primarily done in the part modeling environment. SolidWorks 2011 brings these capabilities to the assembly environment as well, letting you create weldments at the assembly level. To make this work, assemblies need to support weld preparations. SolidWorks 2011 supports new assembly-level features to accommodate this. Specifically, chamfers and fillets can now be created at the assembly level to allow for these cases. The Weld Bead tool we saw previously is fully supported in assemblies, which means there are no special tools to learn. You can create your welded designs in the parts or assemblies environment. The tools work the same. When working with complex welded frames, you might need to create a significant number of welds. To tackle these cases, the Weld Bead tool has one last powerful capability: the new Smart Weld Selection tool. Once enabled, all you have to do is swipe your cursor across the parts to be welded together. The selection tool automatically finds the appropriate choice and creates multiple welds at once. It's extremely fast and easy. SolidWorks 2011 also includes new enhancements for documenting your weldments. Sometimes a simple sort of a weldment cut list isn't good enough. Now you can reorganize cut lists in the same way you do bills of material, giving you full control over the order of items. And like everything in SolidWorks, all of this is associative, meaning annotations for all of the weld beads created in parts or assemblies can carry over to the drawing. This means there's no need to create extra weld notes or caterpillars for documentation. They're easily included, like every other type of annotation. If your design challenges require welded designs, you're sure to enjoy all that SolidWorks 2011 has to offer. From new, easy-to-use tools to the lightweight performance of new cosmetic welds.